Looking for powerful sound on the go? Today, we explore compact audio options that deliver big bass, clear vocals, and long battery life. Top 5 best portable Bluetooth speakers are perfect for travel, parties, outdoor adventures, offering durability, wireless freedom, and volume. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. JBL Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The JBL Charge 6 portable Bluetooth speaker is designed for listeners who want powerful sound, long battery life, and true outdoor durability in one reliable package. What immediately stands out is JBL's signature audio, now enhanced with proprietary AI Sound Boost technology. This smart feature analyzes music in real time and optimizes output to deliver deep, punchy bass along with crisp, well-defined highs, all while reducing distortion even at higher volumes. Whether you're listening to energetic dance tracks or relaxed acoustic music, the sound remains balanced and immersive. Battery life is another major strength, offering up to 24 hours of continuous playtime with an additional 4 hours available through JBL Playtime Boost when you really need extra power. This makes it perfect for long trips, parties, or all-day outdoor use. Connectivity is equally impressive, thanks to Auracast support, which allows you to stereo pair 2 Charge 6 speakers or connect multiple compatible JBL speakers for a wider, more powerful soundstage. Built for real-life adventures, the speaker features an industry-leading IP68 waterproof and dustproof rating and can survive drops from up to 1 meter on concrete, making it extremely rugged. The removable handle strap adds portability and convenience, especially when carrying multiple items. Overall, the JBL Charge 6 is an excellent choice for users who want loud, clear sound, advanced features, and dependable durability in a portable Bluetooth speaker.
Number 2. Bose Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Bose SoundLink Flex portable Bluetooth speaker, second generation, is a compact yet powerful speaker that delivers the premium sound quality Bose is known for. Despite its small size, it produces big, bold audio with clear mids, balanced highs, and surprisingly deep bass that fills the space without sounding overwhelming. This makes it ideal for both casual listening and social gatherings. One of its standout features is Position IQ technology, which automatically detects the speaker's orientation and adjusts the sound for optimal performance, whether it's standing upright, laid flat, or hanging from a hook. Portability is a key strength, as the speaker is lightweight, easy to hold, and includes a utility loop for clipping onto a backpack or gear. With up to 12 hours of battery life, it comfortably supports a full day of activities like beach trips, hikes, or poolside relaxation. The SoundLink Flex is also built tough, featuring an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating and a durable silicone-wrapped exterior that resists drops, shocks, and rust. For those who want more sound, Bose allows you to link 2 compatible speakers and choose between stereo mode for a wider soundstage or party mode for louder output. Overall, this speaker is perfect for users who value premium audio, smart sound optimization, and rugged portability in a sleek, easy-to-carry design.
Number 3. Marshall Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Marshall Emberton 2 portable Bluetooth speaker combines iconic design with powerful, immersive sound, making it a standout option for music lovers who appreciate both style and performance. Featuring Marshall's unique true stereophonic technology, the Emberton 2 delivers rich, clear, and loud 360-degree sound, ensuring that every listener enjoys the same high-quality audio no matter where they are positioned. This creates a truly immersive experience that feels much larger than the speaker's compact size suggests. Battery performance is exceptional, offering over 30 hours of portable playtime on a single charge, which is more than enough for extended trips or multi-day use. When it does need recharging, it returns to full power in just about 3 hours. Built for life on the road, the Emberton 2 boasts an IP67 dust and water resistance rating, allowing it to handle rain, dirt, and accidental splashes without issue. Pairing is quick and simple, letting you connect and start listening without complicated setup. Through the Marshall app, users can fine-tune sound with EQ presets and keep the speaker updated via over-the-air updates. Another highlight is stack mode, which allows you to connect multiple Emberton 2 speakers together for a bigger, louder soundstage. Overall, the Marshall Emberton 2 is an excellent choice for those who want long battery life, rugged durability, distinctive design, and immersive sound in a portable Bluetooth speaker. Number 4. JBL Xtreme 4 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The JBL Xtreme 4 portable Bluetooth speaker is built for users who want massive sound power without sacrificing portability. Equipped with 2 woofers, 2 powerful drivers, and dual JBL bass radiators, it delivers dynamic, room-filling sound with deep, impactful bass and impressive clarity. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or heading to the beach, this speaker ensures your music remains loud, detailed, and engaging. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 24 hours of continuous playback with an additional 6 hours available through Playtime Boost. This feature optimizes performance for louder, crisper sound while extending battery life, making it ideal for all-day and overnight use. The built-in AI Sound Boost technology analyzes audio signals in real time, pushing the speaker to its maximum capability while reducing distortion, even at high volumes. Designed for mobility, the Xtreme 4 includes a convenient adjustable shoulder strap that allows you to carry it comfortably as a crossbody or over the shoulder. Durability is guaranteed with an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, ensuring it can handle poolside splashes, sand, and outdoor conditions with ease. Overall, the JBL Xtreme 4 is perfect for those who want powerful bass, long battery life, smart sound optimization, and rugged construction in a premium portable Bluetooth speaker.
Number 5. W King Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The W King D10 portable Bluetooth speaker is a powerhouse designed for users who prioritize extreme volume, deep bass, and versatile features. With up to 120 watts of dynamic output from 4 premium drivers, including dual high-power subwoofers and 2 tweeters, it delivers an immersive listening experience with rich lows and crisp highs suitable for all music genres. A built-in DSP chip ensures hi-fi audio quality by balancing sound and eliminating distortion, even at maximum volume. For those who want an even bigger experience, pairing 2 D10 speakers unlocks an impressive 240-watt ultra-stereo soundstage, perfect for large parties and outdoor gatherings. Battery performance is outstanding, offering up to 42 hours of playback at minimum volume, and the speaker also functions as a power bank to recharge your devices on the go. Built for outdoor use, it features an IPX6 waterproof and shockproof design that can handle splashes, rain, and rough environments. The addition of RGB lighting synchronized to music beats adds a fun visual element, while the dedicated microphone input enables karaoke functionality for parties and events. Overall, the W King D10 is an excellent choice for users seeking maximum loudness, long battery life, and feature-packed performance at an impressive value. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.